Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone, how are you guys? So today we are going to start lesson 4, which is forms of fractions pair. And thank you very much guys for watching and learning here. You guys are amazing, yeah, and you're the best. Let's begin. So today's session is forms of fractions pair. There are basically two different categories of fractions pair. The first one we named it as like fractions, and the second one is the unlike fraction. Now what is the like fraction? So a pair of fractions which have same values in the denominator. So pay attention on to here the denominator value. So when we are having the same values in the denominator, we named those pair of fractions as a like fraction, right? Here we have a certain example. So see, these are the two fractions, 2 over 3, 7 over 3. So your focus should be in the denominator. So the denominator values are same, which are 3 and 3, right? So we named collectively these two fractions will become like fractions pair, right? And secondly 6 over 5 and 2 whole 1 over 5. So in this case, though these are different types of fractions, but our focus over here is not on categorizing the types of fractions, but to find out either they are the like fractions or unlike fractions, right? So we are having the same denominator, which is 5 and 5. So collectively both of these two fractions are the like fraction pairs, right? Okay, next, and what is the unlike fraction pair? So the pair of fractions or the fractions which are having the different values in the denominator. So which are having different values in the denominator. So those fractions or those fraction pairs are called the unlike fraction pairs. So now see, this is 3 over 4, this is 7 over 8. So pay attention on to the denominator value. So this is 4, this is 8. They are different. So both of these two fractions are unlike fractions. Similarly, 2 whole 4 upon 6 and 20 over 9. Different denominators, 6 and 9. So both of these two fractions are unlike fractions, right? Okay, now the question is why we have categorized these fractions into a like fraction pair and unlike fraction pair. So this thing will help us in when we are going to add and subtract fractions, right? So while adding and subtracting fractions, so the method for adding and subtracting like fraction is different, and the method for adding and subtracting the unlike fractions is different, right? We will see this thing later on in our later videos. So I hope you have got the concept. So here comes to an end of our today's short session. Stay blessed, be happy, keep smiling, and thank you once again guys for watching and learning here. Keep learning. See you after.
Barrel waiting for the